going to talk very quickly about using Screencastify as an assessment tool within the new version of Google Classroom. So within the new version of Google Classroom, when you go to the assignment and you go to the actual documents, what you will find is that you have the capability of switching between students very quickly. I love using Screencastify though, because with Screencastify you can cover so much information all within the document, and I'm going to share how you can quickly share that information with the students. So here's the assignment. I'm able to switch between the students like so, just using the click of this tab, and I can quickly see each document and each submission. I could put the grades here, I could put comments here. I can still type in here. It goes automatically to suggestion mode. And I could say, is this really your name? Then what I can do also is utilize Screencastify. So to utilize Screencastify while grading this, I could just hit Alt-Shift-R. When I do that, then instantly Screencastify will pop up and it'll ask me which window I would like to record. So I'm going to share my screen, and then it's going to say 3, 2, 1, and it's going to allow me to record. So during this, I could be just talking about the document, giving some feedback. There are some drawing tools down here. If you're using a touchscreen Chromebook, it works really well, and you can handwrite directly on it. And they don't actually see any of these marks in their actual document. And so any of these tools are usable just with your touchscreen. You can also erase these marks just like so, and the whole time I could be telling the student what they needed to work on. When I'm all done, I hit Alt-Shift-R again, and it's going to stop. So during this, I could be just... And then while it is uploading, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to say Fake Student Project, like so. I'm going to copy the link here, go back to the document, like so, and I'm going to put it as a private comment right here. Boom. And when I've done that, then the student not only can see any typed responses that I gave, but they can also see any video response that I gave. And by doing that, I'm able to quickly give feedback to the students and make it extremely meaningful. Last thing I'll do is return it to the student. And now they have access to that information.